All right, YouTube. So what I'm doing is very unprofessional work. Her headlight bulb went out. In order to get to assembly, we had to take this crap off way up here. Whatever, you can see with that light. And she's not feeling okay right now, so I'm just being nice enough and I'm gonna do this for her. I bought some new bulbs for her. Probably not smart to do that like that, but hey. Rednecks do that. Anyway, I'm a redneck. We should have got a new one of these. If I had enough money, I'd buy her some new sets of that and LED headlights, but these things weren't cheap. So I'm gonna put them back together. Gotta put the bumper back together. I got that side in. I got new bulbs on there. This is her Neon. It's got a 2-liter, I think it is, 2-liter, 16 valve, 4-cylinder. She did this herself. She put new spark plugs and coil wires on there. The coil pack was already there. She did that herself. She does a lot of stuff herself. She put that battery in too. She wants to be a mechanic, and I think she couldn't be one, you know. It just takes a lot of hard work. But anyway, I thought I'd do this for her and do a video for you guys. That's why I haven't been making any videos. I've actually been working on my Avalanche. She put new low beam headlights on there, LEDs. You got to check them out soon. And I'm putting halogen on hers. I was going to get LEDs, but they didn't have them, so I was going to surprise her. So anyway, they just had halogens, and they were really expensive. So I'm going to put them in there and work on this. Maybe shine her up a little bit. Put a little redneck mud on there for her. Sorry for the lack of videos. I just been busy, and I'm actually switching partnerships with YouTube, so it's kind of part of the problem. But I'll be back to making videos soon. Mint. So, I got it back together, guys. I got shorter plates, but this is her car. It is a ladybug car, I call it. Isn't that cute with them rims on there? It's got 80,000 miles on there. But anyway, let's test the headlights. Let's shut the lights off here. It's not the brightest because these things here are faded out. And if we had nice new lens covers with the projectors and LEDs, there we go. This is, let's see, I'm trying to think. Oh, that's bright. That's dim. There we go. I got her headlights all together for her. She's been working all day and she's wore out and tired, so I thought, well, I'll do this for her. Appreciate that. And let me turn the thing on. I don't like one of her stepdad put this on here. Look at that turn signal. I don't like that. I don't like that. It gives you a seizure. Look at that. So, ladybug's already. It's a sweet, good looking car though. I like that spoiler. That's cool. Wish that works. Maybe I can get that working for her someday. Mint.